Welcome to Pulse of History TV. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through time with unique historical photographs that I have colorized just for you. In this video, you'll see rare and captivating moments brought to life with color. From everyday life to significant events, from celebrities to ordinary people, each photograph tells a story. Ready to dive into the past? Let's get started. In the 1950s in New Zealand, baby strollers were sometimes attached directly to the bumper of a bus. This unusual and risky solution allowed for saving space inside the bus, but today it seems unthinkable. In 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak developed the innovative Apple I computer. It was the first personal computer with a single board design, marking the beginning of a revolution in the world of technology. Roar, 1981, is a unique film in which the family of Tippi Hedren and Melanie Griffith lives among wild lions. The filming was chaotic and dangerous. More than 70 people were injured. Despite being a box office flop, the film became a cult classic. In the 1950s, the advertising for ammonium sulfate uniquely caught attention. Girls posed in dresses made from fertilizer bags. This highlighted the quality of the material and the creativity of the marketing. That awkward moment when a gust of wind attracts the attention of not just the photographer. In 1940, a 19-year-old Czech baron and showman, standing at 53 centimeters tall, amazes the public by playing the trumpet. His talent and unique persona make him a star of the variety show. Sister Mary is the first woman in the world to earn a degree in computer science in the USA. She played a key role in development, making programming accessible to a wider audience. In 1954, Farrokh Bulsara, the future Freddie Mercury, studies in India. Even then, he shows a talent for music, plays the piano, and dreams of the big stage. Hilda John and her 6-year-old cat Toms, who weighed 19 kilograms, England, 1977. A police dog during a match in Cologne, Germany, is not very happy with the football player who ended up in the goal, 1959. Brigitte Bardot was one of the sex symbols of the 1950s to 1960s. In her youth, Bardot practiced ballet. Walking in Antarctica is full of unpleasant surprises. The result of extinguishing a fire in the Equitable Building, built in 1870, Manhattan, 1912. Memorial service at the cemetery on Radonitsa, Vyatka Province, 1909. Prisoners at the BMW factory. Scenes from the film The Silence of the Quants. Children's Crusade for Civil Rights in Birmingham, Alabama, May 1963. Paul Allen and Bill Gates at the ASR 33 teletype in the computer room of Lakeside School in Seattle. 1968. A Pakistani soldier checks if a man is circumcised, Muslim or Hindu, during the Bangladesh War of Independence, 1971. 20th Congress of the Communist Party of the USA, 1939, Chicago. Nazi rally in New York City in 1939. This iconic image captures a chaotic scene during the financial collapse in Shanghai, with people frantically trying to withdraw their money from a bank. In the spring of 1917, Maria, Tatiana, Anastasia, and Olga Romanov fell ill with measles. The fever and medication negatively affected the girls' health. Their hair began to fall out, and it was decided to shave their heads. Photo taken on July 3, 1917. This old photo of a Maine school bus reminds us to be grateful for technology. Tea Porters of Sichuan. How elite tea is born. Mountain Trails of Sichuan Province, 1908. Sophia Loren in Natural Beauty. Around 1955. A carrier pigeon released from a tank's hatch during the Battle of Amiens, August 9, 1918. A mother and son watch a mushroom cloud during atomic bomb tests, Las Vegas, 1950s. Reverend Joe Carter awaits a visit from the Ku Klux Klan, West Feliciana Parish, Louisiana, 1964. Battle for weight. How the Bodhi tribe chooses the ideal groom. Geert Adriaans Boomgaard, the last veteran of Napoleon's army, 1898. A Second Before Happiness, 1955. Flexibility and discipline, gymnastics training, early 20th century. A House Where You Can Live Like in a Fairy Tale, USA, 1938. Audrey Hepburn and Fawn Pippin, An Unusual Shopping Trip in Beverly Hills, 1950s, Los Angeles. Return from the Underworld, A Spring Hill Miner, Nova Scotia, Canada, November 1st, 1958. A Gallows for Smokers, An Unconventional Way to Prevent Forest Fires, Canadian National Park, 1950s. Otto Lilienthal's Final Flight, The Cost of Dreaming About the Sky, Stoln Hills, Germany, August 9, 1896. Whiskey Paste, The Most Scandalous Hygiene of the 1950s, USA, 1954. Spring-Autumn, 1968, USSR, Moscow. Wooden residential buildings and the all-union radio and television broadcasting station named after the 50th anniversary of October. In the Soviet Union, mothers would send their babies to nurseries as early as 3 months old. This photo was taken in Moscow in 1958. Workers at Daycare 155 would take the children outside to sleep, even in winter. A one-on-one fight outside the Bugrov Night Shelter, Nizhny Novgorod, 1890s. Margaret Hamilton went down in history as a pioneer in computer science and the mother of software engineering. A boy plays the banjo, early 1900s. A German coal miner waits to take a shower after a long shift, 1958. Tea break at Holborn Oasis, an open-air pool in London, 1955. Error. Isotope 7 Li, which is considered inert, actually turned out to be active. Consequences. Radioactive contamination of Bikini Atoll, the largest contaminated territory in U.S. history. Training of Russian military pilots. World War II. American police use police dogs to disperse an anti-racism demonstration. Birmingham, Alabama, Charles Moore, 1963. JFK and Jackie Kennedy on a sailboat, 1953. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through history. I hope the colorized photographs have given you a fresh perspective on the past and helped you feel the atmosphere of those times. Don't forget to subscribe to Pulse of History TV, like this video, and share it with your friends. There's much more exciting content and amazing discoveries ahead. See you in the next video.